In this video, I will show you all the working methods to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073CF6 on your Windows 11 PC. We'll go through 5 quick methods, including resetting the store, clearing the cache, re-registering the store, running the troubleshooter, and repairing system files. Let's start right away. First method, reset the Microsoft Store app. Click the Start menu, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Store, click the 3 dots, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Reset button, then Confirm. After that, restart your PC and try downloading or updating an app again. Second method, clear the store cache manually. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type wsreset.exe, and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear for a few seconds. Once it closes, Microsoft Store will open automatically. Check if the error is gone. Third method, re-register the Microsoft Store using PowerShell. Right-click the Start button, choose Windows Terminal, Admin, paste the command, and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish, then restart your computer. This will repair or reinstall the store without removing your apps. Fourth method, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and click Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click Run next to Windows Store Apps. Wait for it to finish checking for issues and apply any fixes automatically. Once it's done, try opening the store again. Fifth method, repair corrupted system files. Open command prompt as administrator, type SFC/scannow, and press Enter. Let it finish scanning and repairing files. If it says some files couldn't be fixed, type this command, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for it to finish, then run SFC/scannow again and restart your PC. At this point, one of these 5 methods should have fixed the Microsoft Store error. If issues remain, make sure Windows is updated and you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. And that's it. Your Microsoft Store should now work normally again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.